In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give admin access to GitHub. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your repository and how to invite someone with full administrative privileges, all while avoiding common pitfalls. Start on your GitHub dashboard and open the repository where you want to grant admin access. This process is repository specific, so make sure you're in the correct project before you continue. You'll need to already have admin rights on this repo yourself. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, check with an existing admin or owner. Inside the repository, look at the top menu and open the Settings tab. This is where all repository level configuration lives, including access control. If settings isn't visible, that's a sign your account doesn't have admin permissions for this repo. In Settings, find the section labeled Collaborators or Manage Access. GitHub occasionally updates wording, but you're looking for the area that lists who currently has access and their roles. Open that section to see the existing collaborators and their permission levels. Next, choose Add People. A dialog will appear where you can search for the person you want to invite. Type their GitHub username, full name, or email address. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct profile. Check the avatar, the handle, and any visible details to avoid inviting the wrong account, especially if multiple users have similar names. After you've selected the person, look for the permission or role selector in the same dialog. To grant full administrative control, set their role to admin. Admin access allows someone to manage settings, collaborators, webhooks, environments, and other critical configurations, so only assign it to people you trust and who actually need it. When you're confident everything is correct, click Add to Repository. This sends an invitation to the person you selected. They won't get access until they accept the invite, so expect to see a pending state until they confirm. Once accepted, their role will display as admin in your Manage Access list. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you can't add collaborators, double check your own permissions on the repo. For organization-owned repositories, consider using teams for broader management while still granting admin to specific maintainers as needed. And remember, you can always change or revoke access from the same Manage Access page if roles evolve over time. That's it. Simple, secure, and done the right way.